Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you guys have a problem where when changing gears, let's say on automatic from park you go to reverse or from reverse to drive or the other way around, and you hear banging, clanging sound coming from the engine bay. Stay with us, we'll explain the most common reason that we can see for that here based on our experience at the shop. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts and tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our supplies from. With that being said, let's explain what can cause that now, guys. That is the whole engine assembly, transmission, cooling system, everything out of a Hyundai Tucson. Now, it doesn't matter which engine year and generation you have, it should apply to most of them. Now, right here, if you look guys, your engine usually attaches to the car body with 3 different engine mounts. One is on the passenger side, okay, that holds the engine up. One is on the transmission side, this one holds the engine up, okay, these two. But then you need to have a third mount that prevents the engine from turning. Okay, so which mount is that? Let's explain now. Excuse me, it is the lower engine mount, also known as a torque strut mount. This mount right here, it mounts to the transmission, and the purpose of that mount is to prevent engine movement, okay, when you accelerate, deaccelerate, or changing gears. When that mount fails, okay, what can happen? Okay, engine movement will happen every time you change gears. Why? Because the bushings maybe are done, okay, they're cracked, there is a play, or the mount itself is broken on the inside, and that can cause engine movement. So this is actually quite common on higher mileage vehicles. So if you notice some clunking, okay, engine clunking movement when you change gears, okay, you need to check that mount. Now in some cases, if that mount went bad, I would recommend just go ahead and replace the whole engine mount kit, including the passenger side engine mount, transmission mount, because if one goes out, the other ones will take more stress, and as a result they will go out soon too. And if you have a higher mileage vehicle, probably it's due for engine mounts. Anyways, we've seen some that fail as early as 70,000-80,000 miles in some cases. For instance, I have a BMW that failed one at currently right now at about 89,000 miles. So depending on how hard the car was driven and all that stuff, it's affected. How hot the climate was, how cold, and all that stuff can affect it. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure out why you have that clunking coming from the engine bay when changing gears. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.